When your Minka Aire ceiling fan light stops working, follow these essential troubleshooting steps to identify and fix the problem. First, ensure your fan is receiving power. Check that the circuit breaker is switched on and hasn't tripped. Also, verify the wall switch controlling the fan is in the on position. Next, examine the light bulb. Check if it's burnt out and needs replacement. Most Minka Aire fans have a wattage limit, typically 75 watts. Using a higher wattage bulb can disable the entire light kit. Consider switching to LED bulbs, which are more energy efficient and last longer than traditional incandescent bulbs. This comparison shows the significant advantages of LED technology. Finally, inspect the wiring connections inside the fan canopy. This is the most critical step and requires turning off power at the circuit breaker for safety. Once power is safely disconnected, remove the canopy and examine all wire connections. Look for loose connections, damaged wires, or corrosion that could prevent proper electrical flow. These initial troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of ceiling fan light problems. If the light still doesn't work after these checks, the issue likely involves the remote control system or receiver. When basic checks don't resolve your Minka Aire ceiling fan light issues, the problem often lies with the remote control system. Start by replacing the batteries in your remote control, as weak batteries are a common cause of communication failures. Next, ensure your remote is properly synced with the fan's receiver. Most Minka Aire fans use dip switches to establish communication between the remote and receiver. These switches must be set to identical positions on both devices. If battery replacement and dip switch alignment don't solve the issue, the receiver itself may be faulty. The receiver is typically located inside the fan's canopy and controls both the fan motor and light functions based on remote signals. For advanced troubleshooting, consider the capacitor. A failing capacitor can cause both fan motor and light malfunctions. If your fan motor is also having issues alongside the light problems, the capacitor is likely the culprit and should be replaced. Remember, electrical work can be dangerous. If you're uncomfortable working with wiring, capacitors, or receivers, it's always best to contact a qualified electrician. They have the expertise and tools to safely diagnose and repair your ceiling fan issues.